Have you ever looked around your home and thought, why does it always feel cramped, even when everything's put away? Systems that work with your habits, not against them. And that's exactly what this video is going to show you. I'm about to share 10 of the most clever, space-saving products to help you reclaim your home without sacrificing comfort, style, or sanity. These are practical tools that solve real-world frustrations you may not even realize are fixable. If you ever eat, work, or relax on your couch, and let's be honest, that's most of us, then the rotatable sofa tray table is going to change how you multitask. This adjustable height table slides easily under your sofa or bed. But here's what makes it truly special. The top swivels a full 360 degrees. That means it adapts to you, not the other way around. Whether you're working from your laptop, having a snack during movie night, or just need a solid surface for your morning coffee, this tray is your go-to. It even features a built-in slot to hold your tablet or phone upright. It's one of those little upgrades that make every part of your day more seamless. I've even brought mine to the patio during spring mornings, using it as a work-from-anywhere station. It's also lightweight enough to bring into other rooms easily, making it perfect for those who like to change scenery throughout the day. You'll be surprised how quickly it becomes an everyday essential. Okay, so you've got your couch setup handled. But what about hidden storage that doesn't look like storage? Meet the storage pillow. On the outside, it's a stylish throw pillow. On the inside, it's a soft, zippered compartment large enough to hold seasonal clothing, extra blankets, toys, or even that pile of mystery cords you've been avoiding. I've even used mine to store holiday decorations and gift wrap. It's the kind of clever deception that feels like you're getting away with something. Plus, it's perfect for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, or any living space that needs a quick, tidy cheat code. A friend of mine even hides her remote controls in one when guests come over, instantly tidying up the living room with zero effort. And if you're someone who struggles to find places for winter accessories in the off-season, this is a cozy-looking solution that works year-round. Not to mention, it adds a touch of charm to your decor while secretly doing the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about the kitchen. You know how chaotic it can get, especially when you're digging through cabinets for spices while cooking. That's where the revolving spice rack comes in. Picture a compact, spinning tower that neatly stores all your most used seasonings. Everything from cumin and paprika to oregano and chili flakes. Because it rotates, you can instantly access whatever you need without knocking over a dozen other bottles. It's the kind of upgrade that makes your cooking space feel intentional, efficient, and even a little gourmet. And here's a quick teaser before we move on. There's another product coming up that fixes a different kind of clutter in your drawers. It's subtle, it's powerful, and I'll share it with you shortly. Imagine how much smoother dinner prep would be if your spices were always right where you need them. The best part? It's compact enough to live on your counter or tuck neatly into a cabinet, making it perfect for both seasoned chefs and occasional cooks. Let's move to the infamous junk drawer. We all have one, and it's almost always overflowing with randomness. Enter the sliding drawer organizers with upper layer. These stackable trays introduce a second tier inside your drawer, creating extra space and far better separation. Everyday essentials like pens, scissors, and chapstick live on the top sliding layer, while less used items like batteries, flashlights, or spare keys are neatly tucked underneath. This turns the junk drawer into a functional drawer. The feeling of calm and control you get each time you open it is real. Remember earlier when I said another product would solve your drawer chaos? This is it. You could even repurpose these organizers for office drawers or kids' craft supplies, tailoring them to whatever clutter tends to accumulate fastest in your home. Once you try one, you'll probably want them in every room. Time to tackle your closet, which for many people is the most overstuffed zone in the house. If you're constantly trying to manage accessories like hats, scarves, or bags, then you'll love the shelf hooks for closets. These genius little hooks slide onto the top shelf of your closet and create an entire new row of hanging space behind your existing clothes. It's like discovering an invisible hallway in your wardrobe. No tools, no holes, no permanent alterations. They're especially great for renters, students, or anyone who likes upgrades that can be reversed. Quick fix, big impact. I recently used them to organize belts and crossbody bags, and it completely freed up the top of my dresser. You can also use them in entryway closets to make better use of high-up space where coats and scarves tend to pile up or get lost. You'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Let's now shift perspective and go under the bed. Most of us forget that this is premium real estate. With the underbed shoe organizer, you can store up to 9 pairs of shoes in a clean, dust-free setup that slides in and out with ease. Ideal for rotating seasonal footwear or simply freeing up closet space. And shoes are just the beginning. Use it for gym gear, toys, linens, or even your gift wrapping station. Think of it like adding a custom drawer to your bed without the cost of new furniture. But wait, what if your bed is too low to allow for underbed storage at all? You might even find that using underbed organizers helps you stick to a capsule wardrobe more easily, since you're visually reminded of what you already own. It brings a level of organization that feels effortless once it's in place. That's where the wood bed lifter blocks come in. These solid, stable risers lift your bed frame by about 5 inches, unlocking an entire world of storage beneath. Suddenly, bins, suitcases, or drawer systems have a place to live. And no, it doesn't feel wobbly or unsafe. These are especially useful in dorm rooms, guest rooms, and small bedrooms where every square inch matters. When you combine these with the underbed organizer we just talked about, you're creating a modular storage system that works invisibly. Simple shift, huge payoff. Bonus tip, lift one side of your bed slightly more to store bulkier items on one end, like those big duffel bags that never fold quite flat. You'll be amazed at how much extra space you unlock just by elevating a few inches. Now, let's turn to something a little more satisfying. Cleaning tight, dusty spaces is usually frustrating and ineffective. The rechargeable compressed air duster changes that. This handheld device blows a focused stream of air strong enough to clear dust from keyboards, air vents, camera lenses, and more. It recharges via USB and replaces the need for disposable canned air entirely. Not only is it better for the environment, but it saves money over time. And let's be honest, it's kind of fun to use. Once you try it, you'll be looking for excuses to dust just to see it in action. I even used it to clean crumbs out of my toaster tray and felt like a genius. You'll feel like a professional detailer in your own home. If you've ever tried to host a dinner party in a small apartment, you know the struggle. The folding dining table solves that. By day, it functions as a sleek console table. But when you need it, it expands into a full dining service that seats up to 7 people. It moves easily on smooth casters, has built-in drawers for storing napkins or flatware, and looks surprisingly upscale. This is the space-saving transformer piece you didn't know you needed. I've even seen people use it for puzzles and crafting nights. A viewer messaged me saying they used it for Thanksgiving dinner with their entire family. It folded out right in their living room and saved the day. It's versatility at its finest, perfect for both everyday life and special moments. And now for the final reveal, the one I hinted at earlier. The product that transforms waste into something genuinely valuable. Meet the electric composter. This compact countertop appliance takes food scraps and turns them into nutrient-rich fertilizer in just a few hours. No worms, no odor, no mess. It uses a combination of heat and motion to break down everything from vegetables to dairy and even cooked foods. A built-in carbon filter handles odor control, and the result is compost you can use in your plants or garden. This is especially great for apartment dwellers or suburban families looking to reduce waste without the hassle of traditional composting methods. If you've been looking for a practical way to live more sustainably, this is it. And let me tell you, the first time you empty the bin and realize your kitchen waste has turned into something genuinely useful, it's deeply satisfying. You feel like a modern-day alchemist, turning scraps into gold. Each of these tools gives you more control over your space and more peace of mind. Because when everything has a place, your home starts to feel like the sanctuary it was meant to be. Now, I want to hear from you. Which product had you ready to hit add to cart immediately? Was it the hidden pillow compartment, the folding table, or the futuristic composter? Drop your favorites in the comments. And if you've discovered your own space-saving gem, share that too. We're all in this clutter battle together. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired, stay intentional, and always remember, your home should work for you, not the other way around.